Tito, Vegas.
No one's gonna love you like I do. I can't stop thinking about you. I gotta look on the feed. I can't stop thinking about you. Without you, I ain't the same. I can't stop thinking about you. I gotta look on.
Right, what's happening? Wanna go for a ride? I bet you've said that one before. Who's that then? Do you want to explain yourself?
He's a paedophile.
He's a paedophile.
Are you still here?
Yes. Let's go for a ride.
Let's do it.
John, speed bump!
No,
Is this in sport mode?
not yet. Oh, I still comfort. You want me to put it in sport?
Yes.
There you go. We're still on speed bump road, so we can't do nothing.
No ball, Lewis Hamilton. Fox!
Where?
No. Shark! Why would there be a shark in the road, you? It's not a fucking shark, Jay! Let's talk about prostitutes.
Prostitutes?
What's your opinions on them?
I don't know. I don't go out.
Well, we're out right now. Well, technically not. Technically, yes.
Let's go dogging.
Fucking hell. Who've said that to before? Hey! You've said it to him before. Look what I found in John's car. Shocking.
Hey,
Shocking.
listen, that was here when I got it.
It was here when you bought the car. Craig from Corrie comes with the Benzes these days.
Here's the marketing strategy they use. That's
What? No matter how fat you are, the car still goes fast. Oh, scum of death right there.
what?
There.
What, Falkirk?
If you support Falkirk, I don't like you. Jokes I might do.
I don't even like football.
I don't know if you do like though. Craig.
It's a very nice car to drive and to look at.
Little do you know, we're actually driving in a, we're really driving in a Peugeot right now, and that Mercedes was just somebody randoms in the car park we did videos of. He chased us after it, but yeah, that was awkward. Ronaldo? Fucking roundabouts isn't John's speciality.
What are you talking about?
He likes to go minimum 70 over them, just so you can get a good eye of what's coming round. John, somebody coming.
I can see him!
Ha! Ha! You're racist. You're a sexist piece of fucking. Aye. Oh, friends. Driving friends. Mercedes-Benz friends. Just drop me off. Oh, he's challenging you. Oh, that's an Audi RS. That's an Audi RS7. He's mugged you right off.
I have an A160.
That's an Audi RS. They're like 40 grand, 50 grand.
Yes.
He's mugged you off.
I'm getting dizzy!
Why are you dizzy?
Because you keep going round and round.
Picking up Dizzy Rascal?
What?
Are you picking up Dizzy Rascal?
Yes, yeah. Let's go to his mansion in the fucking Kelpie.
He lives in the Kelpies. Dizzy Rascal. You all think I'm bonkers, I'm just living at Kelpies. Living young, wild and sea, because there was water.
Jesus, take the wheel. See, it is a Mercedes, it isn't a, what is it?
He's lying, he's just,
Look at this.
he took a course for Sony Vegas and he's just put a Mercedes badge on top of it. How much was it off Amazon again? 15 quid? Like the fake steering wheel?
Actually, you know what? It was actually 20.
Amazon Prime deal, I take it.
Amazon Prime! Twitch Prime.
Have you heard about this little thing called Twitch Prime? Only Ninja people will get that. Do you watch Ninja?
On Twitch.
Do you not watch Ninja? No.
No.
He says in his live streams, like he's got like this automatic thing that plays every 10 minutes. It's like, have you heard this little thing called Twitch Prime? I'll do A4, let's go for more. Is that your girlfriend?
Yes. That's my girlfriend right there. Her name's George.
Oh, that is so sad. That there's no notifications on your Tinder. Like there's not even one, 0 Tinder. Like just, not even like a recommendation notification. Not like, come get Tinder Plus, just.
Oh, she be crying every single night. Day and night on my mind, please don't kill the vibe. Oh no, I swear to God, I'll be in my mind. Swear we wouldn't die, yeah. We ain't gonna swear we wouldn't die, yeah. No, I'm not a riot. I may start a riot. I'm so fucking tired. So what's up? What you say? Feeling good, I'm feeling great. Tired of the fucking hate. Stacking cheese all on my plate. So outside my misery, I think I'll find a way of envisioning a better life for the rest of us. Rest of us, there's hope for the rest of us. Rest of us. Oh, she be crying every single night.
Alright John, this is my favourite song at the moment. There's a guy called Juice WRLD. He's 18, so he's younger than us. Well, you know what I mean.
Aye.
He's 18, I don't know. Maybe the same age as us, I don't know. But nevertheless, he's more successful than we'll ever be.
So does he have a Benz?
Props.
Shadows in my dream. The love that I gave you. Love and I hate you. Change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one. They said in my head, another one, the better one. I want you to forget me. See your shadows in my can't change that. The love that I gave you is to the point where I love and I hate you, but I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one. You said in my head,
I thought you were the one. It's very sad.
It's a relatable song, isn't it? Inside my head.
Yeah, I know, it's really good.
And before people go mugging me off about it being an automatic, when you only have one leg, you do what you have to do, okay?
No one said it was a automatic, John.
But people do. They don't see the gear stick and they're like, you drive an automatic, and I'm like, I have one leg. And then they're like,
well, use your third leg, haha.
haha, XD. Ache, make my heart ache. You make my heart ache. Watching for a lifetime. You're my favorite movie. 1010. You mean everything to me. I know what's coming. Forever fascinated. Hope you don't stop running to make it highway. You are a cinema. I can watch you forever. Action, thriller. I can watch you forever. You are a cinema, like Hollywood treasure. Love you just the way you are. A cinema, a cinema. I just want to thank Lewis Buchan for helping me record and edit this video. This video wouldn't have been possible without him, thanks to his camera recording equipment and him being there as well. I don't think I would have been managed to record that alone, so a big thank you to Lewis Buchan. I would highly recommend that you go check out his channel. All the links to his social media, including his YouTube and Twitter, are in the description. So please do me a favour and go check him out. He's a really good friend of mine and has amazing content, 100 times better than what you'll find on my channel. So go check him out. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy watching this video. It was fun to shoot and I hope you like it. So if you did like this video, please leave a like on it. It'll give me a indicator if you want to see more like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!